Hello, today we will guide you through how to delete contacts in Outlook. If you need to remove an old duplicate or unwanted contact from your Outlook address book, this process is quick and straightforward. We'll walk through it slowly so it's easy to follow. To begin, open the Outlook application on your device. Make sure the app is fully loaded before continuing, so all navigation options are visible and responsive. Once Outlook is open, direct your attention to the top left area of the screen. This is where you'll usually find the icon that takes you to your Contacts section. Look for the contact icon in that top left portion of the Outlook window. Depending on your version of Outlook, this may appear as a people icon, a contacts label, or an app navigation symbol that opens your contact list. If you don't recognize it right away, take a moment to scan the icons carefully. The goal here is simply to locate the area where your saved contacts are stored. When you've found it, click on Contacts to open your contact list. This will bring up the section where all saved contact entries are displayed. From here, you'll be able to identify the contact you want to remove. Next, move your mouse over the contact you want to delete. Hovering over the contact usually reveals additional options or action controls that aren't visible at first glance. This is a common design feature in Outlook, so if you don't immediately see a menu, make sure your cursor is positioned directly over the contact entry. Once those options appear, click on the three-dot menu associated with that contact. This menu is sometimes called the More Options menu, and it gives you access to actions you can take for that specific entry. Be careful to open the menu for the correct contact, especially if you have several similar names in your list. From the menu, click Delete. This tells Outlook that you want to remove that contact from your saved contacts list. In most cases, Outlook will then display a confirmation prompt to help prevent accidental deletion. When the confirmation message appears, click the confirmation option to complete the deletion. After that, the contact should be removed from your list. As a final tip, if you accidentally delete the wrong contact, it may be worth checking whether Outlook offers a recovery option in your version, or whether that contact still exists in another synced account. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a contact in Outlook.